Yes,
Okay, I will take that.
we can see it. And Afaf said
Okay.
in the chat that to go ahead.
Okay, great. Okay, so yeah, welcome everyone. This is the launch of the innovation platform. As I was saying, this is a tool that we want to present to you not only for this symposium, which we believe it's the first and most important use case for now, but it can be used also for many other projects in the future. But the way that we want to present this is to use it to start with the symposium. So this picture we thought is that we should realize today that how impressive it is that we are talking about mobility, and yet we are all in our homes, and we are having all these chats and all these keynotes and all these breakout rooms from our place, right? We're trying to collaborate. We're seeing all these ideas from our rooms. So we believe that in these kind of events, so we would like to have the audience moving from something that is just listening to the keynotes and listening to the different speeches, but moving to a more active audience. So we want Unitakers and everybody joining today to be an active audience, to be people that share ideas, people that is innovating. And we've seen a lot of this in the chats today. So like I've been reading some of the text, and I've seen a lot of great ideas, great inputs from everybody from the audience. So we are trying to show this platform and use this platform to leverage on that and use all these ideas that are in the chat and maybe sometimes in the Zoom calls get lost, and have it in a place where everybody can collaborate together to develop these ideas. So the way that we want to use this is through these three steps, right? To want to inspire, enable, empower, which is the values of the UAA. And we want to do this by sharing your ideas, sharing the inspiration that you received today in these keynotes, in this innovation platform, which I'm going to show in a minute. And then you can also collaborate in these ideas. You can also add your comments, give your feedback, like the different ideas. So later on, you can act on these ideas and maybe, who knows, develop these ideas into new projects for Unitech, into new business ideas. The options are endless. So there's a lot of things that we can do with all the comments that we had today in the chats. And we're gonna present this tool, this innovation platform, so you can leverage on that. So how does it work? I'm going to leave the presentation now, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is a website, which I'm going to share the link in a second in the chat. So this is, if you can hopefully still see my screen. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to share with you in 1 minute a link to this website. This is the innovation platform, and this is for the symposium project in particular. So there is an open question here: is how will you contribute to the future of mobility? And as I said before, you had a lot of ideas today already in the chats. And what we would like to ask you is that you put these ideas that you had already into this platform, and all the features ideas that we have in the next sessions in the roundtable, you can still write it here so you can share the ideas with everyone else in Unitech. So the way to do this, it's very easy. You just have to click here in Create Idea. And I don't know, maybe your idea is about, I would say, flying boats, because I think it's the future of technology. And I can select the topic depending on today's symposium, so technological. And I think that this has a lot of potential. You can also attach pictures of documents that support your idea, and then you just submit. Okay. If you have not signed up yet to this platform, at the moment to submit the idea, you will be asked to sign up. It's very, very easy. If you have a Google account, you just have to click one button. If you don't have a Google account, you will have to put your name and last name, and that's it. And here you will have the idea. And the cool thing about this is that you will see everyone else's ideas posted in here. Nothing will be lost, and you will have the option in this first stage to rate the ideas. So you will be able to rate the ideas according to how easy it is to implement this idea on your opinion. You can also choose how confident are you that this idea will work, and how large of an impact this idea will have. If you want to, you can click here on this box here, and you can add comments about this is a great idea. And maybe you can also share your email address, so you have a contact with this person, right? So this is how it looks now, this platform. So this is the way to submit ideas, the way that you have to submit ideas, all the ideas that you had in the chats already. And basically what you can still do is add comments to everybody else's idea, rate the ideas, and so on. So what we want to do next with the ideas, so we will, as I said, we want to leverage on these ideas and see if we can develop actual projects from this. So we have designed a whole plan. We have designed basically a 2-week period to develop these ideas. And I'm gonna go back to the PowerPoint presentation. So basically, we will launch today the innovation platform. And then what you can do from today until the 20th of April is add some comments, maybe share some contact details. But basically, it will be very interesting if you can rate the ideas according to the 3 criteria that I just showed to you. After the 20th of April, so for 1 week, we'll have this glowing phase. So you will see another comment box available, which is not now seen in the platform, but you will see next to these ideas, you will be able to add more comments. And this is a growing phase. So you can go to the top rated ideas and try to reach out to the authors, give your inputs. Well, all these conversations that you had already in these chats, things that happen when you try to develop ideas when someone posts an idea. And finally, what we would like to do is we'll select the top ideas, the ideas that had better rates and that had more comments and that have more potential. And what we would like to do, these ideas, since we want to develop them into projects, is that you will have the opportunity to pitch these ideas by the 6th of May. So this is a little bit the timeline with these phases of these ideas. It's very simple. The platform is very simple. In the platform itself, you will see our email, so our contact email for the innovation platform team in case you have any doubts. But this is the timeline. This is a great opportunity, I believe, to share your ideas or collaborate with other people's ideas. So basically what you can do right now, once I finish this presentation, is you can go to the link on the chat. I will paste that in a second. And then you can start thinking or writing the ideas that you already had, because I was surprised there were so many things happening in the chat. You can start already putting that in this innovation platform to make sure that these ideas will not be forgotten or that will not be lost in the chats. You can also, as I was saying, you can add likes to the ideas, you can participate, you can collaborate, you can add comments. Basically, you can, and I recommend you to innovate. And if I may, so our goal today, as I was saying at the beginning, is to have an active audience today in the symposium. And therefore, if I'm allowed to set you a goal, it will be very, very cool if you were able to submit one idea by the end of the day. It can be any simple idea. It can be just a comment of something that you thought during today's sessions. But yeah, basically, this is just in a nutshell how the platform works. We really hope that you can use this platform to leverage and use and get the best of all the ideas that and all the comments that are in the chats today. And also just think that the symposium is just the start. So we want to launch it for the symposium, and we believe that it can be used for many, many other projects and many, many other things in Unitec.
Great.
So
Thanks
that's
a lot,
it.
Albert.
Yeah, and I'm going to share now the link on the chat.
Okay, yeah, please share it on the feed so that it doesn't get lost. Thanks a lot, Albert. And now let's move to the final roundtable where we will have all the speakers together. So Jess, join me there.